nasa Leonard's kami ngayon. Ito yung famous na donut dito. And asan ka, madam?
Nasa
Leonard's.
Leonard's Bakery.
Yeah. Hindi masyadong kita. Leonard's Bakery. So guys, now it's our day 4. So, ito na, 4 days na kami nandito and surviving. So, tapos na kami kumain. So, pinakita namin kanina, napunta kami ng Leonard's ba yan? Leonard's. So,
The famous bakery.
the famous bakery. So, bumili kami ng donut at saka ng coffee. Pero binili lang namin, 2 pieces lang. Isang malasadas at saka
anong pangalan nito? Macadamia.
At saka mustard. Ay, mustard yung
Custard.
Custard. So, yun yung namin, yung binili namin. And naubos na namin.
Sarap siya
Kung na
actually.
i-vlog.
Kasi
sarap
siya, freshly baked.
Freshly baked.
And,
pero lang doon sa tindera na parang
mainit-init
kagigising-gising lang. Wala pa siya sa sarili niya. So, yun. So, ngayon pupunta kami ngayon sa Byodo Temple. Chinese ba yan? Chinese temple siguro yan. So, pupunta kami doon, pero bago ang lahat, kami ay nag-charge. So, papunta doon, it's about 26 minutes. 26 minutes nga ba? Yeah. And we'll see you there in Byodo.
where are you? Ganda
Sa Liki-Liki.
Sa Liki-Liki Highway. Ay, nasira na siya. So we're here at Liki-Liki Highway. Ganda. Another nice view.
In 1 mile, take exit 9 on the right onto Liki-Liki Highway.
Liki-Liki Highway. Okay, ang ganda Yung mga napapanood mo lang sa movies na ganito, nakikita
Now
mo
take exit
na
9 on the right.
in front of you. Grabe, what a privilege. Nice.
I'm happy, I'm so full of joy. I'm happy, I just wanna dance. Happy, I'm happy, I am happy.
So we're here sa Fort Quarry, mga temples. Ang ganda ng nila dito, cemetery. Nasa ilalim or sa baba ng valley.
Happy, I'm happy, I'm so full of joy. Happy, I'm happy, I just wanna dance. Happy, I'm happy, I am happy.
Later, maraming mga nasa Roman Garden of the Holy Cross. Kasi may mama rin
Happy, I'm happy, I'm so full of joy.
Turn right.
So for today's video, tayo ay nasa Byodo Temple at tayo ay mag-entrance na. Mag-entrance na. Photos. Yep. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Good. I just screenshot. It's fine.
Yeah, I just need to get all the other tickets.
Okay, next one. This one. Okay, have a good day. So, ito na yung sikat na temple. O, ikaw ang magiging tourist guide ngayon. Tourist guide.
Hindi ko pa nire-review.
Di ba nire-review? Di pa ano yung history? Ta-da! It's really nice. Ganda ba yung daming ano? Daming coin na naman. Sign na to na we have to buy coin. Saan ilalagay? Oh, cute. Koi. Tilapia ba yun o koi? Koi yan. Ayan, koi. Hi, kois. Kala nila may food ako. You're so cute. So, ito na yung temple dito, guys. Ayan, oh, sa background namin. Ganda, di ba? So, pupunta kayo dito. Ang entrance fee is $10 each plus yung car parking pa na magkano yung parking? 12?
$6.
$6. Something like that. So, yun. Punta na tayo dun sa kabila. It's called the Bon Ho Sacred Bell. Ito na yun, guys. Tayo magre-ring ng bell. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Nice. Ganda. Ang cute. Meditation Pavilion. So ito yung ayun yung ayun. Yun yun. Mga koy. Paikot kasi siya, like circle. Ang cute. Dami nila. Yeah. Let's go up. Ito laki oh, like a big one. Oh. There's a giant one. Let's go. Let's go up anyway. So ang tawag dito meditation area. Ito yung meditation. Ganda nung ng nature. So yun yung meditation area nila. Yan, may Buddha sila dito. So yan, behind me, yan yung kanilang meditation area. Pasok tayo sa temple, guys. This is a nice temple. The stick. Then we light it up. Wow. Doon mo nalagay. So dito may mga souvenirs din, pero konti lang sila. Per letter. Ang cute. Ang gaganda, no? Pero mahal. Ang ganda pa naman nila. Birds, ang babait ng mga bird. Akala nila may food ako. Wala naman akong food. Akala nila may food ako. Wala naman akong food. So, ano yung binili mo, be?
Fortune paper.
So, fortune paper tayong dalawa. Ayan. So, saan sasabit?
Let's check kung ano. No,
May nakalagay ba?
pagka bad, you need to tie it. But
You
if
need to
it's
tie it.
good luck, you need to keep it. Your fortune to keep it.
Oh, okay. Sige. Ano nakalagay sa'yo?
Okay.
Mm.
Ano kaya?
Mm. Okay.
Luck in general matters. Your imagination and ability to express yourself will be enhanced. It's the time to enrich yourself. Please accumulate creative energy by films and exhibitions at museums.
Mm-hmm.
Please give heartily kind words to whom you love. It will get better. Your smile will bring you good luck. Experience in travels will broaden your horizons.
Mm-hmm.
Luck in travel. Lucky items. Film tickets.
Mm. So, lucky ka.
Yes, this is
So, you can keep it.
so it's yours.
So, yun sa akin, tingnan natin. Hawakan mo muna. Kasi bumili rin ako ng lucky coin. So,
Is it good or bad? Very lucky.
very lucky. Ano sa'yo?
Lucky lang.
Ako very lucky.
Oh my God, you're always like that.
Luck in general matter. You will be liberated from pressure and stress, and your effort will bear fruit this year. Please don't be arrogant. Self-conceit from bring failures. This year you will achieve a goal, but it may be just a step towards your next success. It will be desirable for you to make endeavor towards a further leap. Your luck will rise if you always give thanks to people who have helped you. Lucky in love. Your wish will be fulfilled. It will be good for you and to approach someone you love. Approach. Hi, miss. Financial luck. Things will look up for you if you will mindful of your unnecessary spending. Correct.
Okay.
Luck in travels. Travel will be a little baggage. Travel with little baggage, and please don't forget to buy souvenirs. I have
Yan,
one.
lucky.
Yeah.
Lucky item is handkerchief.
Handkerchief.
Financial luck or luck in your work, you will have many chances to try,
To try new kinds of work. Oh.
Really?
So this is the time. So we will keep this one.
Because it's
Di mo na siya itatay doon. Kapag bad luck lang, tsaka may tatay. So good. Let's keep it. Keep it, keep it. So pupunta tayo dito. Ewan ko ano ito, Memorial yata ito. Let's see from here. So, submarines.
Yeah.
Oh, in loving memory of her Melville's Spurgeon.
Yes, submarine.
Yes, submarines. Oh. Yung.
Siguro if you were submarine before, dito kanila ililibing.
This is the back of the temple, guys. So, walang sakyan eh. come on. Kinuha na ng picture sa likod ng background. Parang wala. Sayang. Sarap pa naman yun. Hey guys! Ngayon kami ay nasa beach. Kami magsuswimming. Obvious naman, di ba? Mag-beach kami ngayon. So yan. Yan ang aming itinerary for today. Ang aking misis ay nag-lotion na. Ako'y punong-puno na rin ng whitening lotion. Whitening lotion. Anong tawag sa ganito? Sunblock lotion. And ayun, ang ganda ng view. Look at that. Yun. Lokal lang, lokal. Lokal. Hello guys, ito na, nakapag-beach na kami finally. And ayun yung wifey ko. Kaway-kaway ka naman, kaway-kaway. Yan, nag-enjoy. Hindi kami masyadong nag-swimming, parang feeling ko kami na yung pinakamatagal sa tubig. Pero yun, nag-enjoy naman kami. And this is our trip na kami ay nag-swimming sa beach. Public beach ba ito? Yeah, this is a public beach, pero dahil dahil ang Hawaii is, especially dito sa may Waikiki Park, ito yung ano yung tipong hindi masyado matao. Dun sa city meron din naman, pero sobrang dami ng tao, super crowded. Ito wala. Ang daming beach dito na pwede nyong puntahan kasi nga dahil island lang naman siya. So ikot-ikot lang kayo. Ito malapit ito sa may Kuala ba yun? Kualoa malapit. So and dito rin malapit yung pinakamasarap na pinakamalapit na masarap na poke kib. Authentic poke bar. Ano pangalan ng lugar? Tamuras. Yeah. So yun sa pinakamasarap na authentic na poke bar dito. Sarap dito kung pwede nga lang magstay ng another week. No? Another week ulit. Why not? Sarap mat dito sa beach. Relaxing. Wala masyado na alala. Hopefully pagtandaan natin nasa beach na rin tayo. Iitim kami ng iitim. Lalo na. Ayan. So, see you in the city. At ang aming next trip ay papunta kami na magdi-dinner cruise kami. So, see you there, guys. Yes, kain kami ng ano yan? Poke, original Poke. Yes, how much each? Like $17.99, I think so. Yeah, in Canadian dollars, maybe around 25. That's it. Sarap? 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 Fresh. Fresh. Kain tayo. Poke. Habang ini-enjoy natin ang magandang view sa labas.
Ito mo authentic nito sa
Authentic na Poke. Habang nakatingin kami sa beach. Kain mo na kami. After beach. Ang puti ko na.
We are going to be doing a Hawaiian toast. So all of you, if you have a glass, please raise your glasses at us. Okay, make sure they're filled. Now, if they're not filled, do the shaka sign. Give us a happy sign, okay? All you gotta do, folks, now is repeat after us. Everybody say ALA. 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 Cheers. High five. Say aloha. You gotta be aloha. Singing hello with the band. It means how far it loves you so. But I hope you're feeling alright. But most of all, it's a feeling from within that makes you so inside. Because the love I need with all my love, all my love. You gotta feel it.
So ngayon kami ay nasa dinner cruise. So pila ngayon para sa food. So pila kami. Pag nasa left side daw, Mary taken na ano siya, maano. And guys, wala yung camera ko, cellphone ko na lang din. Pila for the food. Naghintay tayo ng sunset, wala pa siya. Ang sunset daw 5:40, 6:40. So medyo matagal pa yung sunset.
The star of Honolulu proudly presents Evelina Maine, Ketini Olalo, Nawa, Tana, Ere, Akai, Sabo, Sabai, Sotai, No, Tare, Sabai, Loia, Alo, Elani, Obi, La, Mana,